Good evening, Northeast 8 Nagamis News viewers kan ajilaga main headlines. Naga women ho Dimapur pra Dimapur te maki ekjon ke gun point te robbery krato strongly condemn krishi. Alak cookie civil society organizations pra TM Kasom Okrolte duijon ke morai dia to cookie militants logote link rekina alleged krato reject krishi. Security forces pra coordinated operations te pasta insurgents ke arrest krekina hatyar bi recover krishi. US President Donald Trump Raji Janashiki tai Iran logote ceasefire to indefinitely extend kuribo koishi. Naga women ho Dimapur NWHD pra April 13 tarik din Dimapur te maki ekjon ke talaga ghor osorte ektam din fale allegedly gunpoint te robbery krato strongly condemn kurishi. Press release te NWHD pra incident itu ektam mon napuncha ase koikina state krishi ke eneka ek pra manu ekjon laga safety and danger hoikla no hoikina society te sob laga security biya kuri de koikina junarishi ho junaishi ki Dimapur especially Nagaland ke as a whole country te maiki nimite safe jaga count kure koishi juntu pra incident itu aro bishi serious ola kuri de koikina junarishi NWHD pra responsible authorities ke kiman joldi pare perpetrators ke dhuribole thick action lubole urge kurishi NWHDB law enforcement agencies ke security measures bhal ola kurikina patrolling bishi kurble aru justice thik time ti dibo nimite junadishe NWHDB sob citizens ke hoshiyar thakikina nijor thaka jaga safeguard kurble te active hoikina peace aru law and order maintain kura nimite effort support kurble appeal kurishi NWHD pra victim aru talaga family ke eneka time te solidarity junadishe अलग cookie civil society organizations pra TM Kasom Okrolte duijon ke morai dia to cookie militants logote link kurikina alleged krato reject krishi statement te cookie NP Manipur state krishi ki United Naga Council ar Tangkul Nagalong cookie community pra takan involve nathaka opor clarification di kinabi eneka blame krato mon na puncha se koikina enekai ku evidence proof nathaki kina blame krato thik nai koikina eneka claims cholaikina jhamala nakurble against warn krishi cookie NP Manipur bi area itute valley bas insurgent factions ar arambai tangol nishna alak armed groups bishi thaka to junai dikhina alleged krishi ke takan political interest sakikina jhamala bishi koikina state te dictar kurble kuri thakibole pare koishe cookie NP Manipur nishna cookie zo council bi incident itu takan involve nai koikina junai dikhina state krishi ki incident itu to dustra factional groups majote jamala olaikina hua hubule pare kote cookies or community ke iku verification na thakikina target kuri ase koikina junadeshe okrol laga cookie civil society organizations working committee junaishi ki United Naga Council ar Tangkul Nagalong Khan cookie community ke blame kurato nijor majote problems saka khan lukabo nimite hubule pare koishe Chepu Yalon village authority bi busti te armed group camps taka deny kurishi ar clarify kurishi ki incident to TM Kasom nohoile Chepu Yolonte nohoikina Litan Sarai Kongte huishe koikina junadeshe Wung media laga video te victim ekjon laga baba pra family talaga gao bia hwa nimite imfalte jai thakishe koishi takan state kuishe ke takan ke Litan tak escort kuisha to pichte all of time te cookie militants pra takan ke osor area te pra attack kurishe koishi koikina junadeshe Kote NSC and IM pra suspension of Operation SOO agreement under cookie armed group ke blame kurikina claim kurishi ki takan laga action to pura limit par kurishi koishi group B alleged kurishi ki to militants ke Indian security forces pra bachai kina rakhi ase ar duita milikina region te jhamala korble koshish kurikina jai thaka accuse kurishi Security forces pra ja 36 hours se Manipur border districts te coordinated operations loikina jate pasta insurgents ke arrest kurishi kote takhan bi hatyar aru alak explosive khan recover kurishi koikina officials praji janadashi operation to Manipur police central forces aru border security force BSF logote milikina T Bongmol under More police station Tengnopal district Indo Myanmar border fale loishi arrest wa duijon ke to prescribed People's Revolutionary Party of Kanglaipak progressive laga Salam Yamai Maiti 19 years old self-styled Lance Corporal our People's Liberation Army PLA laga Wakrambam Rahul Maite alias Malenganba self-styled sepoy koikina identify kurishi duijon to Bishnupur or Imphal West district laga resident ase koishi dusra operation te joint teams pra Kamjong district jun to east fale Myanmar pra border kore itute hatyar or warlike stores kan bishi recover kurishi Itu logote PREPAK Pro aru Kanglai Yolkana Loop logote link thaga tinta insurgents ke Thobul, Tengnopol aru Kakching districts te coordinated operations law time dhurishi. Takhan logote pra mobile phones aru foreign currency puisabi seize kurishi. Sob arrest wa manu aru recover kura items kan sob concerned authorities logote further investigation nimite hand over kuridishi koikina officials prajunarishi. International news to US President Donald Trump ra aji junaishi ki tai peace talks karne time arobi dibo nimite Iran logote ceasefire to indefinitely extend kuribo koishe hoilebi Iran aru Israel manibona nai ituto itya nimite clear nai. Trump state kurishi ki move ituto Pakistani mediators pra plan kurikina thaka US attack to negotiation laga modot pra ekta bhal proposal na patak rokhai kina rakhibole request kura pichte hoa laga ase koishe tai janaishe ki US Navy Iran pra aha raja ships ke rukhabo na hoile control kura to continue kuribo koishe junto Iran pra to war laga hisabte sai Iranian officials confirmly to jawab dia nai holebi itya laga reaction tolop daute thaka nishna suggest kurishi Takanaga state line to media janaishe ki Iran fale prato ceasefire extend kurble bisara nai aru warn kurishi ki Iran US laga blockade to military cholai kina hatai dibole pare koishe war itute itya thak Iran aru Lebanon te 5000 nishna manu murishi aru bishid manu displace hoi kina ase West Bengal Assembly election naga first phase polling to kali 152 seats te lobule ase junto pra 16 districts cover kore First phase election itute 1,478 candidates contest kuri ase. Election Commission of India election to peacefully lobule sob arrangement boraikina hoi jaishi koikina janadashi. Voting to 44,376 polling booths te hubule ase kote arubi additional extra 3,000 nishna polling booths bi rakhikina ase. First phase itute maki candidates to 167 June ase. Aru second phase polling to aha hafta Wednesday dinte lubule ase.